In today's world, where personal style and financial savvy go hand in hand, woodworking offers a unique opportunity to create modern decor that not only enhances your living space, but can also generate income. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. You can craft items that resonate with contemporary design aesthetics while keeping costs low. By leveraging readily available materials and simple techniques, you could transform your living environment and potentially turn your passion into a profitable venture. The appeal of modern decor often revolves around clean lines, minimalist designs, and a touch of natural warmth. Wood, as a medium, embodies these characteristics beautifully. The process of woodworking can be both therapeutic and rewarding, allowing creators to engage with their materials and produce items that reflect their personal style. This hands-on approach not only fosters creativity, but also instills a sense of accomplishment, especially when the final products are well received by friends, family, or customers. One of the key advantages of woodworking projects is their accessibility. Many projects require only basic tools and can be completed in a relatively short amount of time. This makes it easier for beginners to dive into the craft while also providing seasoned woodworkers with opportunities to experiment and innovate. The ability to create items quickly can be particularly beneficial in a business context, allowing for a faster turnaround and the potential to produce larger quantities to meet demand. A fundamental aspect of woodworking as a business is understanding your target market. With the rise of online marketplaces and social media platforms, reaching customers has never been easier. By showcasing your creations through visually appealing photographs and engaging descriptions, you can attract a customer base that appreciates handcrafted, modern decor. This connection not only facilitates sales, but also builds a community around your brand, fostering loyalty and encouraging repeat business. Sustainability is another attractive feature of woodworking that aligns with modern consumer values. Many people are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact and prefer to purchase items made from responsibly sourced materials. By emphasizing eco-friendly practices in your woodworking business, you can appeal to this demographic, enhancing your brand's reputation and potentially commanding higher prices for your creations. Moreover, woodworking allows for personalization, which is a major selling point in today's market. Customization options, such as sizes, finishes, and designs, can make your product stand out. Customers often seek unique pieces that reflect their individual tastes and lifestyles, and offering personalized options can significantly increase your sales potential. This flexibility enables you to cater to a wide range of preferences, ensuring that your creations resonate with a diverse audience. Networking within the woodworking and craft community can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Engaging with fellow artisans through workshops, online forums, or local craft fairs can lead to collaborative projects and shared resources. This not only enhances your skills, but also opens doors to new markets and customer bases. Building relationships with other woodworkers can lead to referrals and partnerships, amplifying your business reach and effectiveness.